Welcome to Jeremiah's and Trinity's Adventures! Hi everyone! I opened my L.O.L. right here.
This is the limited edition L.O.L surprise outfit of the day. So this is what the inside looks like. And it has numbers on it, so each day you can open, like, so say day 1 is in the middle, but today we're gonna open all of them. You wanna open all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, there's something behind here. You wanna pull this down?
Yeah.
Pull it down. Ooh. It has a card in here. What's this? It's stickers.
Stickers.
Day 1, so that's in the middle here. Okay.
Oh!
Pull it all out.
I got it!
Ooh, what's that one?
A baby.
Show everybody what.
Look, I got the L.O.L.
Pink hair. What's after 1?
This.
What number is after 1?
2.
Okay, so where's number 2? Let's see. Right here.
Yes. Number 2. Still number 2,
Okay,
dear.
go.
Okay. The baby bottle.
Oh, that's like a does it look like a coffee cup?
Yeah. I'm sure it's like a.
Aww. Oh, it stays on there. Look.
I think it's like a coffee.
It's like a coffee. Okay, so number 3. Number 3 is right here.
Yes. Oh. Shall we do this one? Oh, look, I got a shirt. It's a shape for the L.O.L.
It's a shirt.
It's for the L.O.L.
All of this is for the L.O.L. You want to try and put it on her?
Yes. He can bring his.
So that was number 3. Now we're gonna go to number 4. Here.
Wait, I need to put
Oh, okay.
the coffee.
Maybe you should put that last because she might get other things. Okay, so this one is number 4. What is it? What is it?
A shoe.
A shoe. Can you put it on?
I know how to put it on.
Is there just one shoe? There's 2 shoes.
Oh. I want to put the coffee.
Look how tiny these shoes are. It's so tiny. Okay, let's put on her shoes. So this is supposed to be like an advent calendar because it's like a countdown on each day. But you guys had your own advent calendar, huh? Okay, so that's number 4 and this is number 5. Okay, go ahead. What's under number 5?
Oh my god.
What is it? Oh, it's like a big piece for
The bag.
Oh, that's how the bag looks like. We're number 6 here. Okay, go.
Okay. Oh, look.
What is it?
It's another shirt.
Can I see? Oh, I think it's a bathing suit. It's a bathing suit. Look, it's like a swimsuit.
I'm just.
So that was 6, now we're on to 7. Oh,
of things.
Yes.
She can change into a lot of
It's
different
a
things. That's a
menu.
shirt.
It's a mess. I put the bag
It's a
on.
matching skirt. Her first outfit with the bag. And then now we'll change her to the other outfits.
What's this one?
So cute. This is her other outfit. That one is cute. I think 10. Okay.
I want to.
No, right there. You can dig inside.
I got another shirt.
It's a
Can you
it's a
shake
dress.
Can you shake?
Okay, number 11.
Okay. Wait, I need to put this guys.
Ooh.
The glasses. That's glasses on. I put the milk on.
Okay, so what number was that? Oh no. That was 11. So we're on to number 12.
Oh, I got this. I got another one.
Oh. It's a seashell top.
Yes. I put his bag on.
Okay, number 13.
Number 15. Yay!
You don't have to pull it out, baby. Just dig in there.
I cannot fix it. Oh, I got another
Oh,
one.
it's a skirt for the seashell top. Okay, and then we're on to number 14. We're almost done, Trinity.
Yes.
Okay, what's that in there?
Oh, look at this in there. I got another one.
Oh, another one. It's a jacket.
Yes, it's a jacket for the cold.
When she gets cold.
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
It's
number
not
15.
snowing.
There's another one in here.
Oh, there's another one.
What's that?
A boot.
Oh, boots. Another pair of boots.
Yes,
These
change
ones
her
are the
boots.
black ones.
I want to change her boots.
Okay. Okay, and then that was 15. Now we're
Oopsie.
into 16.
I
16.
put on her boots.
Ooh, I like that one. That's nice on that dress. I mean
Yeah.
that outfit. Gonna put on the other one? I like those ones.
Yeah. Oopsie. It fell down. Wait, this. Then we can turn around. Then we can put on. There, put on his boots.
Okay, show them.
Now
Next one is this one.
I got a bag.
Oh, it's a basket. Basket. Or actually, it's a pink bag. Now 17. How about this one?
Oh, I got another one.
Ooh, it's a jumper.
This is a jumper.
She has lots of clothes.
Yeah, she got.
Okay, number
Where's
18. What's
this?
this one? It's like really in there.
I heard.
Oh,
Let's
it's
do
a
this
skirt.
now.
It's a pink
Let's
skirt.
do this now.
Okay, so number 19. Okay. This one is really small. Okay.
Can you do that?
Got it. Oh, here, let me try.
Here. Got it.
That one goes with that pink skirt we just got.
I got it.
This one goes with the pink skirt we just took out. 19, 20. Where is 20? Ooh, 20 is a very small one. What's this? Okay, go ahead and look. You have more shoes.
Oh.
That one goes with the pink outfit. That's so cute. Here. And then the next one is 21. Wait. 21 doesn't have anything. Did we open 21 already? Wait, 20? 21 has nothing in it.
Now.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe
Where's
this.
piece?
Maybe this.
Okay, and then 22. Oh, this one is another. It's a long sleeve. Number 23.
This is a lot, Mommy. This is not
I know. It's shorts.
This is short.
324. Ooh, we're almost done.
Look here.
Oh, it's a pretty pink dress. It's a pretty pink dress. Okay, now 25 is the last one. Okay, go open it.
The hat.
It's a hat. Cool. So that's all of them.
Yeah. Now this one out. This one is supposed to be in here. Bear. Look, I pulled on the boots. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.